All right, we're going to solve a proportion here, but the difference in this one is that we have an expression up on top as a numerator. So when you have that, you're going to use cross multiplication. This is a good strategy, a good method to get that. So we need 12 times 10. That's going to give me that 120. And then when I multiply 3 times everything that's up here, we're going to have to use what's called the distributive property. So in parentheses, put the expression of p minus 1. Now you've got an equation set up that you can solve. 3 has to distribute to the p. 3 times p gives me 3p. 3 times a negative 1 is going to give me negative 3. It's equal to 120, and now I'm in a two-step equation. If you're doing these types of problems, you should be able to do your two-step equations. Here's a reminder on how to do those. We're trying to isolate the variable p, meaning we need to get rid of negative 3, this term negative 3. The inverse operation of subtracting 3 is adding 3. That will cancel that out. If you're going to add 3 to the left, you have to also add 3 to the right. 120 plus 3 is going to give you 123. That's one ugly 3, but we'll deal with it. 3p comes down. Now, our last and final step. This is saying 3 times p. We need to use division to eliminate the 3. So divide by 3 to cancel. Divide over here by 3. To make this easy, if you're trying to do it mentally, you're just going to say 120 divided by 3, which would be 40. But it's actually 123 divided by 3. So p is equal to 41. Okay, so the only difference here between a typical proportional relationship is that we have a expression, meaning you're going to have to use the distributive property. Should have drawn a second line there to make sure you know that 3 also has to multiply by both of these terms. All right, study hard and good luck on your upcoming test.